Welcome back, friends. My name is Shubhendu, and today I am going to discuss something about the production unit 1 of the AKTU University of Production course code KMB 205. Friends, in my previous video, I have told you something about the ABC analysis, but some of students request me that, sir, start from the very first topic. So let's start from very first topic. So it's my first topic. uh, sh- let's wait. So here you are seeing in my slide operation management unit number 1 in your syllabus. In my given notes, it's clear that production is something that is creation of goods and services. It means when we produce something, when we provide some services to satisfy the human needs, we say that it's a production. And it's written in my second line that it's involve the conversion of input resources from the input, and we get from the input to the output. It's a process by which a raw material, or you can say the input, are converted into the finished products. So, in my earlier words, in earlier times, the persons use the word manufacturing, but nowadays the word production is used. In my second paragraph, it's seen that any process which involves the conversion of raw material and brought up the components into finished products for sale is known as production. While this production involves something which is which adds to the value of creation. It means by the alteration or by transportation or by storage or by preservation, or sometimes after the quality assurance, it's created by the production. In the same in the same time, operation is something that implies about the activities which transforms the output from input to the greater value. Operations are often seen as defined as a transformation or conversion process where inputs such as material, land, labor, capital, and other things. Now, nowadays, the service system emerged from manufacturing system. So you can better say that where services are produced or where services are offered, the term the term operations are better replaced by the term uh, production. So you can say production and operations are interchangeably and the same thing. So for today, it's enough for this topic, and I am posting very videos are very small length because you can easily download videos so that it could be better for you guys. So be ready for my next video, and hopefully these videos will help you to prepare your notes and for your studies, because your examinations are going to be held in scheduled in May. So for the rest, I hope for the best, and please subscribe my channel so that you get my new videos.